We're going to the Hot Rod Show. Kyle's coming with me. We went to get gas, and of course, you know.
Do you want to know which one you're getting, or do you want a surprise?
Surprise. You know, hey, back cherry. Thanks for the new knife. I can't remember your name. Appreciate it. I'll find out. I promise.
Cheers.
Scumbags.
Here's the hot rods and whatever we're doing tonight. Here it comes.
Wait. 3, 2.
Oh, chunky.
No.
I had food today.
White Claws have the better pitch.
High noon, your carbonation is... Hey man, riding without a helmet sounds so good. I love it.
Just don't get behind that thing.
I mean, I'm riding with the helmet.
Just don't get behind him. It'll get loud.
What are you scratching? I'm blowing in the wind. What kind of biker am I without a beer? You got a tattoo, you're alright.
Welcome, folks. Flip and I here, back on two wheels. It has been a while since I've ridden a motorcycle in one of my videos. It has been far too long, but I had things to do. It was necessary. We're raising money for the raffle bike, which is now long gone. It's been a week. It's been 1 week, yeah. But it's been a very long time since I've gotten a chance to ride with the best, worst friend you can have. Kyle's up there. He's got a new Instagram now that the FBI gave him back his life. And then we got Mr. Jared Weems on my Bonneville because I offered and he said yes. Both of these jerks are riding without helmets because Jared didn't have a helmet. Kyle decided that in camaraderie he wouldn't wear a helmet either. He just needed an excuse not to, which I probably would have done it as well if I didn't have videos to make. So here we are with this thing on my face again. So we are heading over the bridge into St. Petersburg. As anybody knows, I do not cross the bridge. And if I do, there's a good reason. And the reason being is that if you've seen a lot of my recent videos since February, there has been, I'm gonna say, 3 reoccurring characters in a lot of those videos. One is Tim, one is John, the other one is Roosterz Hot Rod Shop, who Tim owns. They're the guys at Chopper Town who were doing burnouts. They're the guys who donated $1,000 to Forgotten Angels, who got to cut Jared's beard off, which that video probably comes out before this one. They're having a hot rod show, and one of the things they do is a burnout competition. So why wouldn't I go see a bunch of really nice cars and loud engines and burnouts and smoke? I'm pretty sure that's the only reason Kyle's even coming is because of burnouts. But, you know, it's nice to have my friend around. I'm not gonna complain.
Dumb.
Huh?
This is dumb.
What? Oh yeah, traffic's dumb. I'm fat, I can't make it through there. Oh, you big jerks. Yeah, what you gonna do now, boys? Kinda stuck. Go! You don't need me, go! Well, that explains that. Alright, so here we are up at Roosterz Hot Rod Shop. There's a lot of really cool cars. So let's go see where we can get somebody to take us in their car to go do burnouts, because that's gonna be rad.
Nice.
Yes. Cars.
I made it. I'm in there, dude. It's good. I brought my own beer.
That's what I mean right now.
that's the last they saw of Kyle.
What's this for? Store here? Oh wow, look at that. I have one of those in my garage.
Yeah,
Damn.
14,000 BTUs of AC, but I'll put a Honda generator here to pull out if I need to run.
Okay, so
Look at that, this bed goes all the way down to here,
no kidding.
right? So I take these 2 eye bulbs out,
All right.
move this, set it on the floor, and the space is bigger, so it allows me to lean it out and get past this. And then I just pick it up just a little bit and lay it right here.
there, yeah,
I got
man.
half a king-size bed.
That's killer, dude. Barely fits in there.
All that matters.
That's so good.
It's always reassuring when you walk into an awesome hot rod shop and all you see is like Harbor Freight, like US General and D's lives that idiots like me use.
Here's what's most important is this right here. This.
Keys to everything in the shop. I spotted Weems Motor Co. sticker in the wild.
Oh shit.
Another one.
Oh. Who's this? Who is this? I know this guy too. God damn.
We know that guy. That's awesome, man.
So that's it right there.
Well, when you get ready to do it, let me know.
We'll get started on it pretty soon.
Well,
Top secret, even though I've already told everybody it's happening.
well, you have free labor. If you don't want to pull these guys off of their projects, I can come over and give you.
So much good white trash fun, dude. I love it. I love it.
I'm happy you can.
So he's building a truck for SEMA. He's gonna show it to us. That's cool, dude.
So this is a rendering. We're not going to go gold with it. We're going to go orange. We decided. So this is going to get a Spectre chrome paint. This stuff will be that.
Found someone a little more important.
Come here. Hi. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
First prize was a Harley Davidson.
Oh, hey, Pooh. Hi.
What up, man?
Hi.
How are you?
How's it feel to have time to do shit?
I'm not sure yet.
Still?
No, because I tested on Wednesday and I work Thursday, Friday. So this is literally the first day that...
Because I'm in a... Gracias.
You know what to buy.
Oh, you opened it wrong.
Are you you're supposed to bite on that mother. Look who just showed up.
Get in there deep, man. I feel one.
You know Kyle Rice? Not trained. Hookie, be right back.
So we're gonna get the walk-in, so get yourself a drink.
I was going to ask for the before and after photos. You got the after in real life, man. Yeah, I hadn't seen anything online, that's for sure.
He looks stupid, doesn't he?
It's weird.
I'm not one to talk either, so.
I'll tell you what, that sucks.
I'll take that one, I'll take that one, I'll take that one, I'll take that one. I'll take that one, I'll take that one, I'll take that all day, baby. Inside of the place.
There's tetanus on it.
Where's the tetanus?
It's on the needle on the glove box.
You know what I love about it though? Is if you look in the back,
Go the other side.
it still has the speaker system too. It's got speakers in the back corner. Safety sign. Get out of here.
I just want one of these. Just give me any one of them. Just one.
I'll give you the black Yamaha over there, the narrow T-bars.
Doesn't have third gear.
I won't give you that.
I want one of these. I want this. I don't want one of these. I want this.
Look at the interior.
There's the motor.
It's too nice. It's too nice for me, dude.
I'll take two.
I got 2 text messages saying, "Are you riding with Flip and Jared on the highway right now?" Oh boy, we made it. We famous, dude. We so famous.
How did they recognize me without a beard?
On Flip's bike.
Tattoos. Tattoos. Yeah. Well, I'm actually on a vacation at that time. I can't go.
None of my friends would consider me a friend because I would just leave everybody.
Would you keep on trucking?
I would get the out of Dodge. I mean,
getting ideas.
Oh no, I already had the idea. Just why I can't do it. Mine would never be this nice. I would just be like, cool, it runs, and I leave. I'm out.
Throw an air mattress in the back. You're good.
No, just take mushrooms and fall asleep next to a lake every night.
Sleep in a cocoon blanket.
You guys know how- give me a FEMA blanket. I'm out.
I feel kind of bad walking around these vans and like sticking my camera in there because it's like sticking your camera into somebody's bedroom. Like this is somebody's bedroom and I feel weird. Like, okay, let's get in their
This
bedroom.
right here, this is how babies are made.
Awesome. Dude, he's got the VCR. VCR.
Oh,
Kicking it old school. What?
Rattle can van. Oh, shoot. We got, what is it?
it's 5 o'clock somewhere, dude. Good lord.
A lot of booze.
Yeah, I would start the van up, I would tap into this, and I wouldn't make it out of my driveway.
Kyle has been busting AJ's balls for the last 10 minutes because everything.
How long? Months?
Well, yeah, because there's a better charger than his. Also a cop car. Then you got AJ's lowrider parked right next to a lowrider S. But his is not an S.
Yeah, you're right. But see where he wanted to park.
But hey,
AJ, nice looking.
Come on now. All that and you leave this? No. You got him, bud. You got him.
You got him.
Let's go get some barbecue.
Let's go get some barbecue and watch burnouts because that's what's about to happen, boys and girls.
Barbecue and burnouts. We got it earlier. I'll run to the gas station.
There's a bunch of hungry people now who are about to sit down and watch burnouts and
Next to
barbecue.
AJ's.
Barbecue is not going to smell as good after you start doing burnout.
What are they about to do?
They're about to drive the speed limit on the interstate.
Like good little Christians.
Respect all traffic laws.
Like good little Christians. More convincing, Justin.
I mean, I tried.
You always do. You always do.
I can't promise it's
I know.
convincing, but I tried.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. I already apologized to your brother. I thought it was you. I'm kidding.
No, you don't.
No. We were within vicinity of one burnout. That was cool and all. We are freaking starving. The barbecue place is just not working.
Ain't happening.
So we're going back to Tampa, grabbing something to drink.
And maybe... Nah, we're just gonna keep drinking.
Yeah.